What's up, guys? In this quick video I'm going to show you how to bypass Microsoft. You know how Microsoft forcing us to use a Microsoft account when setting up Windows 11. This video is going to be quick. This one is a really quick fix, and this one is not too complicated like the previous one. You don't need to open any CMD or mess up with your internet connection. So all you have to do is to use while signing in, use test@hotmail.com. That's what I'm going to use, test@hotmail.com. You click next. When it asks for password, use test as the password. Click sign in. It's going to tell you, oops, something went wrong. Just ignore that, click next. And now you can sign in using a local account. So that's how you bypass these issues. I'm going to fast forward this video and show you that it's actually a local account. After setting up Windows, you can see here is a local account. So that's how you sign into a local account instead of a Microsoft account on Windows 11. That'll be all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.